little butter flavour. I don't know what butter flavour is gonna be like. Popcorn. Uh, I got an offer. Um, 30% off, and then I got one buy one get one free or something. And then now for the last two times I've got the wee scratch cube and I've got them free. But I've never done one before. And so you open up the wee bag, so the plastic bag. It says to shake it. So I take it to shake it. You're supposed to spread out over the bag. So I'll shake it evenly over the bag and then put it in the microwave and see what happens. I'm not really shaking over the bag. It's stuck in the middle. So I don't know how long you're supposed to shake it for. Maybe you do shake it. It's going to take a bit of an effort to start evenly. I'm just going to stick it in. Most of it's in the middle. This side down. My microwave might be big enough to turn round. 2 to 3 minutes or something. Can't see very well. Whenever the popping stops to 1 every 2 seconds, then it's almost ready then. My turntable's not turning. My microwave's too small. Microwave's too small. There's always problems, isn't there? Like, it has to be on a turntable. Is that on right there? I bet the sides up a wee bit. If the bag puffs up, that'll pull the sides in too. Where's the start button now? I can't see now with the dark. Let's turn around now. If it works out, that's quite handy. It's a nice wee bag full of popcorn. Nice warm popcorn. It's £1 something, but I think there's about 4 bags in it. So it's chatting 25-30p a portion. And you have to make it. Oh, there's the first one's popped. More is popping. Waiting for this bag to swell up now. Oh, the bag's getting stuck again. Bag's getting stuck. The bag's going to explode. Probably hitting the top of mine. No, it's not hitting the top. I get a bigger microwave for popcorn. What am I eating? This here is beans. And peas now sometimes. So we need to go again. Where's the start button on this? Cannot see nothing on this microwave here. I'm going to put the light back on again, just when all the excitement's happening too. Some size of a bag out there. It's like fireworks. Slowing down now, slowing down, the pops. No, it's going again. Grand finale's coming up. The grand finale. I'm not going beyond 4 minutes. You can smell it. Slowing down now, we're stopping now. Look at this. Oh, it's hot, hot. That bag's first swole up, it looks it's bursting. Bursting. There's steam. That's too hot there, boy. Let's see what size of bag we get now. People, I want to know this. I have to open up live here. Oh, she's pang full, pang full. There's no way I can't even get my hands on the steam. First thoughts, there's no sugary coating, like. Oh my god, it's horrible. Oh, it's horrible. I'm gonna give us away. Anybody want butter flavour popcorn?